Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log your Gmail account out of your phone. Now, before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the settings menu on your device. Once the settings menu opens up, scroll down and then find this accounts and sync option, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page there will be listed various options, but you'll have to scroll down and find this Google option and click on it, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page, to remove the Gmail account from your phone, you'll have to click on the Gmail account you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove this account, which will guide me to its synchronization page. And on this page, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see this more option. Go ahead and click on it and then click on this remove account option and then confirm it. And there you have it. That's how you remove your Google account from your phone. I hope this video helped you to remove your Google account or Gmail account from your phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.